No way. Jax. No way. Oh my God. Oh my God. Chat, it is a keyboard of a screenshot taken of the greatest stream we've ever done on this channel. Oh, bro, he packaged this so nicely. Is this Black Ice? Bro, it's Black Ice themed keyboard. And it is a historical moment of the greatest stream we've ever done on this channel. Chat, oh my God, there's a Jynxzi keycap at the top. I just noticed that. Jax, this is literally beautiful, bro. Oh my God. Jax, this is legitimately beautiful. Made by Jax. Bro, I saw him making this, but I didn't want to see the final product. Chat, is that not gorgeous? Oh my God. Jax, I love you, brother. Thank you so much.